Hi everybody. Do you want to do a vision board to start the beginning of the year, to get clear about your desires and to start the beginning of the year with a bang? Now, I'm going to be running a 2-hour group, a vision board group, getting your desires clear. The universe loves clarity, putting it up somewhere where you can see it. So I'm going to show you one that I did a while ago. This is an old one, but I did put it up here so I could show you. This is one that I did many years ago with my law of attraction friend, and we did it together. My friend Sal and I in Australia, we've done vision boards together for 20 years, and doing one on the 1st of January, I can't do it with her, so I thought I would do it with you. You will need a big piece of paper like that, color of your choice, some marker pens, some glue, some scissors. If you want to put glitter, whatever it is, you can do that. If you want to do this with me and we do it as a group, you can come with your cup of tea, your cup of coffee, and just come and do this and start the year with a wonderful, positive focus, launching, thought transmitting out to the universe what it is that you desire. So it's going to be on the 1st of January, and we're going to be doing it for 2 hours, and the time is going to be 5 to 7 p.m. UK time. Okay, so if you don't know the time in your country, just go to Google and put time difference, London, UK, and where you are, and it will tell you. Very simple. And if you would like to join us, all the details are down below in the description, and I will see those of you that come on that day. Lots of love.